We got concrete on the way and footing. All right, concrete's here, and we'll be pouring. All right, footing is in. Just put our uprights in. Every 4 foot on the center. All right, uprights all in. Hopefully we could get the panels set today. I subbed my walls out, so he may be able to get here later this afternoon. Would like to get it done before the holiday, but we'll see. All right, guys, that footing went well. Today's kind of a triple threat. We're gonna attack 3 projects. One, you know, the footing was small. We just got done doing a tune-up on a stone driveway that you'll see in a little bit.
This guy thinks he's good. He's all right in my books. But if you ask me, he's no Miko. Miko's where it's at.
All right, all set on this one. Quick tune-up. Just graded the rocks from the snowplow. Could use a little more rock. Skimpy over there and some up in there, but at least it's all crowned and level again. So on to the next. And then this project, we're just mobilizing equipment, and we are gonna tackle this tomorrow and part of today. We'll just right here gets a garage. Just these are crusher run bases we're putting in, and there she's gonna have the garages for horses and whatnot. There's one here, I think that's 24 by 24, and then there's one down here by the creek. That's a little bit bigger, 26 by 24, I believe. I'm not for sure on that yet. I gotta look at my print, but these just, we're gonna grub it all out, take the topsoil out. She had a stump grinder come today, and he's grinding these out, so hopefully he's got these down far enough where we could work with the skid steer. And we're just gonna grub this down a foot, put a foot of crusher run, plate tamp it all in, then her building could sit right on our crusher run and we'll be good to go. And I did that chimney. I did all the site on this house, but we did all that a few years back. I'm in the shelter because of course it's raining out, right? Can't go more than a day and a half without rain. But we did get it boxed out, so that's good. Triple threat today. We got part of this one knocked out, and we'll be back tomorrow if the rain lets us. Throw in some crusher on in this one, and then box out the other one. The little shale knob on the other one, we got a hammer for the skid steer. We'll pound on that a little bit, but see you in the morning. All right, just after lunch, sun is out. It is nice. Got this crusher run pad all in, 22 by 26, compacted. She's gonna put a horse barn on it. They're just gonna set it and then probably put some rubber mats from over there inside, and good to go. We're gonna go, we just installed this crusher run to make it easier, less muddy, and then we are gonna head up here to lay out the next one. All right, this one's gonna be 24 by 24, a little more tricky. Got a shale knob right there, and it runs all the way up through here, so that's, we're gonna play with that elevation and see what we can do. Check back in. Alright, so we got some serious elevation situations here because of that shale knob. So we got, you know, we have to pound that out. There's 2 feet here difference, a foot difference from here, so everything's off a foot or two. And then we got to try to back it all back up with this stuff we took off. Otherwise, she's still gonna have a pretty good drop off in the back here because it's gonna be high there. But we'll see how it goes. We're gonna start pounding on that shale. That will dictate it. Definitely hammering out pretty good. We already got a whole layer off there. Just dressing up the shoulder of the road where you come off the main highway, or not highway, but road into the private drive. There was a big transition change. They just wanted this all filled in. Holds water here. All right, quick little tune-up. Took care of that dip at the shoulder. Transitioned it into the existing. Good to go on that one. All right, all done for the day. That project was a success. Got 2 pads in. The second pad was a little nightmare. We had all that shale. Have it 4 foot thick on the back side corners. But all this shale was all knobbed out about 2 feet. And then, which worked out good for fill over here in this real low spot. But there's 4.5 feet of difference right here, down in this edge here. We just had a little dirt to back it. Then they will dress this side over here with a little topsoil afterwards, after the garage is set, and they're good to go. On to the next one.